Watching all my friends get married, settle down, and I guess that I just haven't found the one yet. But I ain't done yet. Sometimes I get lonely, but I am happy holding on to the idea that this life can be magic. Somebody once told me it's hopeless, but you know me, oh, I think I'll chance it. Call me a hopeful romantic. And I don't need fireworks or Hollywood timing, or perfume love letters and cursive writing. But I believe in love, and I believe it's gonna find me. Sometimes I get lonely, but I am happy holding on to the idea that this life can be magic. Somebody once told me it's hopeless, but you know me, oh, I think I'll chance it. Call me a hopeful romantic. Yeah, I'm just a hopeful romantic. I've been up to the plate, yeah, I've swung and I've missed it. I've loved and I've lost, but I'm still optimistic. Sometimes I get lonely, but I am happy holding on to the idea that this life can be magic. Somebody once told me it's hopeless, but you know me, oh, I think I'll chance it. Call me a hopeful romantic. I'm just a hopeful romantic.
Well, this is the heart right here. This is the main thing that we should which is super helpful. So again, these are 1,000 gallon propane tanks. We convert it to water. Here the fast. How long does the brisket go into?
And it doesn't like smoke at all. Like you barely see smoke come out. No, does the smoke build up when the doors close? Oh,
These fire pits are good. Yo, they got fire.
Wow. 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 Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Just got so hungry.
Yeah, look at that smile on his face.
Yeah.
And he's got the BW shirt on.
What do you think?
Together or separate? Together? 要吃点饭吗？你不吃？and then a single for the single one.
Single cream corn, single green bean, and let's do a pint of the pinto.
And then a single coleslaw. 应该够了吧？我点了好多呢。对，然后咱俩孩子。我都给你买一点，尝尝。
Thank you all. Enjoy.
Hi, nice to go. So I want a half-pound sausage, half-pound brisket, half-pound what's that called, like a rib, and half-pound beef ribs as well.
There's no half-pound beef ribs.
Oh, so
They're all like a pound and a half to 2 pounds.
for the beef then, so just half-pound this one, half-pound this one.
Want to copy that receipt today? Everything I have right here.
Yeah.
All right, y'all good to roll. Where y'all coming from today?
Germany. My brother is visiting from Germany.
Gotcha. So you gotta show them the good Texas barbecue.
Yeah.
So Eric, original or jalapeno cheddar sauce?
Original.
You guys have IDs?
Cool, Masaya. I think like 3 months. Do you think that's enough for 3 person?
Might need a little more stuff.
Which one you think I should? So I have to buy.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, has to be like one of those whole things.
Oh my goodness. Maybe more brisket. Yeah.
So like 3 right there.
Yeah. And then how about more half-pound more sausage?
Alright guys, give me 1, 2, 3, 13.
Where is my son?
He's packing up.
Okay. Okay. So that's
Eric, you need some though? I see how it is.
here.
Thank you very much. Guys, do your receipt? No? Alright, y'all get it roll.
Thank you so much.
Of course, guys. What we're here for. Do you need that receipt?
No. 小孩，你要上去。